الله وبركاته. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. فاسألوا أهل الذكر إن كنتم لا تعلمون. Even ask the people of knowledge to them if indeed many of the people of the that is And so Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala extols the virtues of taqwa in this verse, because Allah Azza wa Jal tells us that to be from the muttaqeen is to constantly be aware of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Suhoor really early, meaning that before you go to bed at night, or some people come back after Tarawih and they're like, I'll just eat now, then I don't have to wake up and so on. That is not from the Sunnah. And also says, وَلَا تَعْتَدُوا, but don't overstep the boundaries. Don't go overboard, meaning don't kill innocent people, don't kill the women and the children and start destroying things that
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم